Hi, my name is Lou Gerlach with Think Chat, and today I'm going to give a school shout out to Hephzibah Elementary School in Hephzibah, Georgia. If you haven't been to Hephzibah, you're missing out. There is an amazing group of educators at this school, as well as a wonderful coordinator named Jennifer Williams. Now, I've had the opportunity to lead several workshops and do a consultancy at Hephzibah, and I don't know, my soul feels like it can rest there. Everything is calm, and the people are great, and just has such great courtesy. And every time I go back to Hephzibah Elementary, I always feel like I'm returning back home. And isn't that a nice feeling? They've really invested into their program of trying to make it work, even though they're dealing with a lot of changes with leadership as well as staff, which seems to be everyone's plight as the pandemic has hit and gone. And so how do we leverage the systems? We reinvest in our teachers and within the systems. And that's what I appreciate about Hephzibah. Jennifer's been a huge champion of the program, trying to make it work. Have there been obstacles? Absolutely. Have there been hiccups? Absolutely. But you know what? The one thing that I appreciate about the school is that they just keep going on, because that's the way that they do it. And we can't control outside sources, but we can control how things evolve. They've had a lot of restructuring with an influx of students, but they're still trying to make good quality learning happening. So today, my shout out goes to my fabulous friends there. I can't wait to come back and see you again soon.